Hey guys, this is Paul with Two Birds, One Stone Backyard Gardening Living. And, you know, I'm trying this kind of desperate thing. I have these freshly planted Satsuma mandarins in my greenhouse. It's an unheated greenhouse, and here in the Pacific Northwest, I'm on the Olympic Peninsula, zone 8B, and we're gonna get an unusual cold event. It's already here. Well, the snow came in first, and that was such a blessing. This greenhouse right now has about 6 inches of snow on it. And up the sides here, it's protected. And I came in here fearing the worst. We'll see what it's like in there. I think it's about 25 degrees out right now. Oh my God. You guys, you know, it's not that bad in here. And it didn't even freeze last night. It got down to 22 outside, I know. The expected low is going to be around 16 maybe. We have this wind, this east wind coming off the Fraser River Valley in Canada. It comes down and in the summer it brings super hot air. In the winter it brings these cold fronts. But we got lucky because the snow came before the cold front. And every one of my plants that I've been so worried about is insulated with snow out there. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to break the seal, but there's a Mandarin orange in there. Or that's a Satsuma, and that's another Mandarin orange. And here's my heat sink. This is kind of my gauge. I don't have a thermometer, you guys. I'm just really on the edge of low technology here. But last night I came in, I put more water in this sink. It's full. Just a tiny bit of ice. The most tiniest bit of ice. You guys, I soaked these straw bales in water last night. I soaked the floor in water. I soaked those in water. I put water all around here. And look, there's insulation. There's insulation on the corners. I was worried there was little air gaps. Not anymore. Snow can be your friend. Guys, I'm so excited. It's like literally warm in here. I'm going to seal it up and I'm going to leave it alone. You know, people told me to put light bulbs in, and they're not wrong. But because of certain circumstances, I just don't have the capacity to get light in here right now. I guess I do, but I'm not going to. So I know it would be a little bit more of a guarantee, but I guess I'm always been a little bit of a risk taker. I'm not doing the hard right.